What's the meaning of arsonist? Arsonist. Arsonist.
Arsonist. Arsonist. An arsonist is someone who intentionally sets fire to property or buildings. This act of starting a fire with malicious intent can result in serious consequences. Arson can lead to damage or destruction of property, injuries, and even loss of life. The financial costs of arson can also be significant, as it can result in the loss of homes, businesses, and other valuable assets. Additionally, arson can have a lasting impact on individuals and communities, often causing emotional distress and trauma. Overall, arson is a serious crime that can have devastating consequences for those affected by it.